Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can delete a TikTok chat. So maybe you send a chat to someone and you making a mistake or a typo in a chat and you want to delete them. So I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So here on the TikTok, you can just go to inbox and find the chat that you want to delete. For example, this one's right here. So here I send a chat to this account and you can actually delete the chat that you sent. So what you guys can do is you can actually find the you can't actually find the delete option. So what you need to do is long press on the certain chat, the specific chats, for example this one's right here, and then the pop-up will appear, and if you want to delete, just click on delete here, and just like that the chat will be deleted and it will unsend and the recipient won't receive the chat. Okay guys, so that is how you can delete a TikTok chat. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Thank you.